What is up, folks? Welcome to the channel. Google just released a brand new tool which changed the entire marketing industry. It's called Google Pomelli. Pomelli. Anyways, with that, you can easily create marketing campaigns in just a few seconds. Now, enough talking. Let me show you how it's done. All right, so this is Google Pomelli. There is a short video that shows how it works. Just FYI that this tool is only available in the US. So in order for you to use that, you need to have a VPN and set it on to the US so that you can use this tool. Okay, so let's click on Let's Get Started. Just a simple, nice welcome message. It shows the steps. The first one is generate business DNA, get campaign ideas, generate creatives. Okay, let's go. All right, so the website that we're going to use today is www.adplist.org. It's basically a mentoring platform. By the way, I'm also on that platform as a mentor, and I also included the link in the description below. So if you want to book a session with me, a one-on-one session, feel free to do so. I'd love to hear more about you. Okay, and then continue. And it's generating your business DNA. We're researching and analyzing your business. It will take several minutes. Feel free to come back later. And it says it takes about 5 minutes. All right, then let's get back in 5 minutes. All right, so here it is. A bunch of images, the font. I'm guessing it's a logo. And the color palettes. A tagline on a mission to democratize mentorship for all. That's not too bad. Brand values, open access, human connection, shared knowledge, unlock human potential. That's good. Brand aesthetic, brand tone of voice, and business overview. ADP List is a free to use mentorship platform connecting users with 32K plus expert mentors across. Okay, that's good. And I can see some images. I'm guessing it actually exports the images from the actual website. Okay, now I have ADP List open in another tab. Let's see how accurate it is. I'm guessing the font is not pretty accurate because the font currently is a serif font. But yeah, as you can see, the font used in the website is a sans serif font. So it's not even close to the actual font it used. But you can edit it and you can add or remove or replace this font, which is good. And so this one, okay, so this is a logo as I guessed. And you can even generate the logo here. So you can say things like, actually, let's have a look at the ADP List logo. So it's sort of like a smiley or emoji with a heart shaped eyes and with a smile, and then ADP List as a text next to it. Let's try it out. So we can say an emoji, hearted shape eyes, and a smile. And next to it, the word ADP List. Okay, let's see how it does. Not too bad. Okay, there you go. I guess I missed this fact that it should be flat and black. Not too bad. Okay, this is the closest logo that it generated. We can apply that. I think it looks good. And in terms of the colors, the main color that we see here in the website is purely black and white, and maybe with like this green blue-ish color used on the primary buttons. So it looks like that the primary color is this, blue greenish, and then the secondary is black and white. And so I don't see that color in this palette, but we can edit that. So let's say, I think, the purple one is the one that, or is the least closest one that I couldn't find anywhere on the website. So it can be used. All right, so it's 077F7F. Let's add that. 077F7F. There you go. Apply. And let's stick with the tagline here and brand value, brand aesthetic, brand tone of voice. We're not going to change that. And we're just going to say, looks good. There you go. And so immediately it generates or suggests some campaigns based on the business DNA. So if you click on it, it will also generate more ideas or more suggestions in terms of that particular campaign. You can add creative, or you can click on add creative, and based off of the image that you that it exported from your website, or you can basically upload an image here. Let's actually use this one. This is an image of Felix Lee, the founder of ADP List. Let's see how it handles that. And let's say, okay, remove background so that we can have a transparent and solid image of Felix Lee. Oh, wow. Okay. Well, he generated a whole new image that doesn't have anything to do with the image that I selected. But anyways, I'm just going to select this one and hit apply. And then this, and so let's stick with a 916, the story. And let's also have a call to action here. Let's say that more mentees. Let's put it that way. Okay, so I hit generate and it takes about 2 minutes. All right, it was actually less than 2 minutes, but let's see. That is not too bad, actually. Well, although that the picture here is maybe not the best picture, I would say, but still, the first attempt is quite good, right? And so what I can do here is that I can fix the layout. And so I will also have an access to the previous version in case just the new version is not that good. And so this is another layout, which is quite worse than the first one, to be honest, with the white text and the white background. But I can just hit download this. I can replace the image. I can change the header, just change the text, or I can generate a new one. I can show or hide the text or the header. And I can also change the description here. I can change the font, the color, the size, the height, and everything. And also the call to action button. I can change the text, the font, the color, the size and height. I'm guessing the color is only for the text color and not the button color. So yeah, so it's just something that unfortunately you cannot edit, and I'm not sure why. And so that is it. I mean, within the seconds, you have story that you can share on Instagram or whatever social media that you're using. What I can do basically here is that, well, I can check the DNA, the business DNA, and I can change it anytime I want. And if I click on expand, then it just takes me back to the initial page that we had before so that I can, modify any of the details of the DNA that my business has. And so also here, I can download business data. So it basically downloads all the assets that it generated before. In your homepage, you can describe your idea and describe the campaign that you're launching for your business, whatever it is. So let's say that, for example, in this case, we're going to introduce a new feature that mentees can have longer session with mentors. There you go. Generate ideas. Boom. There you go. Deeper sessions, clear directions. Okay, I like this one. The third one, deeper sessions, clear directions. Let's click on that. Okay, generation failed. Try again. Okay, so this one failed, unfortunately. But I have two other ones and the third one here as well. And as you can see, it just generates within a few seconds. This one here isn't really interesting because this image doesn't exist in the business DNA. So it actually generated an image based off of the goal of the campaign that I described, which is quite accurate and quite good. It just shows a frustrated, potentially a mentee that doesn't have a longer session with the mentor, and it just shows frustration here through the image. And there you go. And you can also have access to your recent campaigns. So for example, this one that I just created a couple of minutes ago, you can delete the campaigns, and within the suggestions you can also delete these as well. And that's pretty much it. If you find this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. I will really appreciate it, and I'll upload more videos every week. And thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.